Hi everyone, I'm Opa and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we have got the topic that is known as the positions of adjective. Kinds we have already discussed, the 12 kinds. Now we will be discussing another topic about adjective that is known as positions of adjectives. So we have got two positions of adjective. The first one is known as attributive position, and second one we have got that is predicative position. So let's begin today's topic. Positions of adjective we have the following can be the positions of adjective. Number one, attributive position, and the second one, predicative position. Now, what are attributive positions? We will discuss the definition. When an adjective is followed by a noun is called attributive position. When an adjective is preceded by or followed by an that's a noun is known as your attributive position. When any adjective comes after a noun, that will be called your attributive position of adjective. It is not necessary that always you will be putting the noun after that. Clear? So when noun comes, that position of adjective is called attributive position. For example, I say he is an intelligent student. Now over there, an intelligent is your adjective and student is your noun. Here intelligent is adding something in the meaning of student and it is followed by a noun. Student is your noun. So here it is called attributive position. And in the same way, second example, she is a brave girl. A brave is your adjective, adding something in the meaning of noun girl, and it is known as your attributive position. So when an adjective is followed by, or when an adjective is preceded by, or when any adjective which is followed by after that any noun comes, that is known as your attributive position. For example, I say you are an intelligent student, he is a brave man, you are a noble teacher, he is a regular student, he is a great man, Nakib is an intelligent man. Or there, these all are followed by adjectives, the nouns. So that's why we call them attributive positions. So hope you got the attributive positions. We will discuss the next one, predicative position. It is the second one. And what is predicative position? When an adjective is not followed by a noun is called predicative position. When any noun does not come after an adjective, because we have learned that an adjective is a word which had something in the meaning of noun and pronoun. But keep in your mind, here an adjective is not followed by a noun. Here any noun does not come after your adjective. That is called predicative position. So it is not necessary to put noun after every adjective. You can say simply, he is intelligent, she is brave. Over here, that is the total opposite of attributive position. Keep in your mind, attributive and predicative position are the opposite of one another. If one is day, the second is night. If one is dark, the second is light. So in the same way, they are opposite of one another. If one is fire, so second is water. So this should be in your mind. When any adjective is followed by a noun is called attributive position, and when an adjective is not followed by a noun, that is called predicative position. Here, keep in your mind, now I say he is intelligent, so there is no any noun after that. It is not followed by a noun, it is not preceded by a noun, and there is no noun after adjective. So here he is intelligent, so here intelligent is then adding something in the meaning of your pronoun. She is brave, brave is adding something in the meaning of your pronoun. So over here intelligent and brave are called your adjectives, which are known as predicative position of adjective. Why? Because this adjective isn't followed by a noun, and that is known as which position? Predicative position. So hope you got the difference between attributive positions and predicative positions. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.